to our sneak peek into what's new at the Cooler Master Tech Experience. I'm Trish, and today we're diving deeper into the features of Cooler Master's Masterbox 600. Now, this case isn't just about housing your components. It's about pioneering a new standard in PC case design. So let's start with support for back connector motherboards. This new trend, led by major players like Asus and MSI, is all about hiding cables behind the case. It's perfect for beginners aiming for easy cable management and a clean look in the front. Cooler Master's at the forefront, working with these distributors to make the innovative design a universal feature. In terms of cooling, the Masterbox 600 is ahead of the curve. It supports up to 420mm radiators. With CPUs getting hotter, larger radiators are becoming a necessity for better thermal performance. Though 420mm all-in-ones are just emerging, Cooler Master's already on track developing their own to complement this case. Of course, GPU compatibility is key. The Masterbox 600 supports GPUs over 410mm in length, accommodating newer graphics cards, and airflow is also crucial. And here the Masterbox 600 excels. The large mesh surface at the front, equipped with 3 single-flow 140mm fans for intake and 1 CF120 for outtake, provides an excellent thermal setup right out of the box. And now, the best part, a low price. The Masterbox 600 sets a new standard for entry-level chassis, offering the best compatibility and thermal performance in its price range. Thank you so much for joining me to explore the exciting features of the Masterbox 600. Stay tuned for more from the Cooler Master Tech Experience, where we're not just keeping up with trends, we're setting them.